Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to crop a video on Likee. Cropping your video can help you highlight key parts or remove unwanted edges before sharing it with the world. So in order to do that on Likee, open up the Likee application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Now this will open up your camera screen from where you can record a clip, or if you want to upload an existing video from your gallery, click on upload at the bottom right. Select a video that you'd like to crop or trim and click on next. Now your video will be previewed in the timeline. Select a video layer by tapping on it, and once it is highlighted, click on cut at the bottom. Now, use the crop bar from the bottom of the screen and this will then help you crop your video. Simply adjust the frame area of your video, and then once you are done, you can drag the video clip left or right or up and down and place it on a desired area. Once done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right, and then that's how you crop your video or adjust the frame area of your video on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.